Hello, we are AtlasLevy Sewing Machine Company, specialist with industrial sewing machines. We're going to demonstrate for you how to thread a single needle. If you would like to know how to thread any kind or type of machine, you can call us or log in into www.atlaslevy.com. And right now we'll demonstrate how to thread using a needle. You thread through this first part, second, between the two plates going into the tension. Then you have a little spring which you go on top of it, and on the bottom of the L shape, coming right back up and going into the height of the take-ups, and then to the hook and a guide, and also the needle guide, and to the needle from the outside in. We thread the machine from the outside in, as you see. Put it underneath the foot and you can start sewing with no problem. Always make sure it's between the plates, going in on top of this little spring, as you see, take up spring, going underneath the L shape, coming right up into the take up, coming back down and going from the outside in. The needle have two sides. One they have a groove and one is a straight line. The groove must be facing in. Our home machine, it's a different direction, so remember, the groove is inside, straight in, and you thread it and it's sewing beautifully. Thank you very much, and if you'd like to know more information on all different machines, you can visit us www.atlaslevy.com, and we can explain to you and show you stitches on all different industrial sewing machines. Thank you very much. Levy from AtlasLevy Sewing Machine Company.